Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kera, and this is our 20th video on Linux tutorial. So what today we'll learn, today we'll see some commands in Linux like cat command, tag command, word count command, WC stands for word count, and the use of semicolum and pipe by using the cat command, tag command, and other commands. So without wasting time, let's deep dive into it and go to my terminal. Okay, so here it is. So let's start with the cat command. Basically, cat command is we use to see the content of any file. You want to see the some data in a file, whatever written in a file. You want to see that is the simple use of cat command. Suppose we want to see the content of this passwd command. Here, all the contents are available, right? With the use of cat command, right? And few options we will use to see it, like this is a simply showing and we are not able to understand what exactly it is, right? So let's see with some options. If we want to see how many lines in the particular file, or we want to count the number of lines in a particular file, then we use the hyphen n is an option, or you can say it's a switch for that. Okay, if we press enter here, you can see it will show with the line numbers. Here it is. So how many lines we got? Let's see. Total we have 37 lines in our passwd file. Hope you guys understand. Okay, so let's see one more example. Cat slash etc slash cron tab. You can see the content of this cron tab file, right? Here it is. And if we want to see with the help of hyphen n option, you can see here. But here is, you can see one issue or one mistake is here, or you can notice this. It also count the blank lines. Okay, it also count the blank lines, but we don't want to see it. Okay, we don't want to see it. So what we will do, we will use the another option or another switch, that is hyphen b. Okay, we don't want to include this blank space with the lines. So if I press enter, here you can find the difference. Okay, it ignores the blank space and count, start counting from where it found the some content, right? So this is the use of cat command, or you can see, thus with the help of switches we see what is the use of or how to use it. And we can also use this command, cat command, to concatenate two files. Like if you want to see the output of two commands, or two files with the same time. With the same time, we want to see the output of two files. We also use this cat command slash, let's see, passwd and see. Let's like do this. Tab and cat slash etc slash, sorry, etc slash passwd is or another file. We press enter. Here the output of first command, which was cat slash etc slash pass, sorry, cron tab. This is the output of cron tab command, cron tab file, and this is the output of our passwd file, right? You can see it here. Even you can scroll it. Okay. So this is the use of our cat command. Okay, basic uses. So let's see one more time. Slash etc slash cron tab. Okay, so here it is. Okay, what you suppose this is a small line. If you want to see the end of this line, or you can say our file have thousands of lines, and you want to go to the, you want to see the end of the line, or you want to see that file from the it should start from the bottom. Okay, I want to see the file that it should start from the bottom and end with the start, right? So for that, we will use the tag command. Tag command is just reverse of cat command. Let's see. Tag slash etc slash cron tab. Here you can see this is the reverse of cat command. Okay. Now hope you guys are understand that what is the use of cat command and what is the use of tag command, right? But we have some limitation in tag command. We can't use a switch hyphen n hyphen v. This will not work in a tag command. Okay, only work in a cat command hyphen n and hyphen v, the switches which we have already saw in this particular video in the starting. Okay, so let's do and see one another command, that is wc is word count. So what it will show, it will show the lines, words, and character of particular file. How many lines in a file, how many characters in a file, or how many words in a particular file. Let's see. Okay, here is a file. Okay, let's see. You can see it, and you can see 15 line it has and 84 words and 451 characters it has. Okay, so word count command shows this kind of output or shows this kind of information that how many words, lines, and characters in a particular file. Okay, if you want to see some another way, let's see in our passwd command. Wait, if you say one by one like hyphen l, I want to see the how many lines in at etc passwd command. Etc passwd file, how many lines it has. It has 37 lines. Hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. If you write the word command in a single way, it will show all the things. But if you see how many particular things like lines, or if I want to see how many words it has, it will show 88 words, and how many characters it has, it will show me like this. So you can use these three switches or these three options to see these things individually or can separate, right? Hope you guys understand. So what we have checked today, we have saw the cat command, tag command, and word count command with its options or with its you can say switches. So let's come to the another command which is semicolum. Here it is, semicolum. Okay. So basically, what is the use of semicolon? It used to run more than one command in a sequential order, right? If you want to run more than one command, okay, in a one time in a single shot, then our semicolon will help us. How it help us? Let's see. Suppose I want to run the date command, so date will show like if I want to see the call C command, sorry, calendar. This is not a call C, this is calendar. So it will be show output like this. Okay, if I want to run this one time, okay, so it will show the output of two command with the single shot. Okay, two output of two command with the one go. Okay, so because sometime we need to run few commands in a one shot. We want to see the output of three things in a to save the timing, or we can say to do the things faster. So this semicolon will help us, right? And we can see the one more example. I hope you are aware of basic things of Linux, like how to use the how to add the user in a Linux. So I will guide you if you don't know. User add command is used to add the particular user in a Linux. So let's see, and the user add command and and the name of particular users and semicolon and passwd job. Okay, so what these two commands will do? First command will add the user in our Linux system, and the second will do the or you can say set the password for the job. So let's do. Otherwise, if we run one by one, we have to do these things in a one by one or separately, or it is time consuming. But with the help of semicolon, we can save our time and do this thing one. Okay, changing the password, John and John. Right. So we have successfully added our user John and changed the password perfect with the help of semicolon, right? And let's go today's last command, that is piping. Pipe command we have is the today's topic's last command. So what pipe command will do? Okay. So like these two commands are isolated, or you can say run individually, but the pipe command will use to run first, it will execute second command and sorry first command and the sec, and then it will go for the second command. All the like first result of first command will be the output of second command. So first second command is totally dependent on the first command. If our first command goes fail, then second command will also fail. Let's see an example. This is our date command, okay, and this is our dates we have done wrong, and call calendar, okay. Sorry. Wait. We have to run the pipe command node. We have already saw this, okay. Okay, so let's see how to run it. Like we will see the content of etc slash passwd, okay, and word count hyphen l. What this command will do, right? This command will show the output of this passwd file, okay, and the output of this command will be the input of this wc or word count command, right? It will count the lines of this particular passwd file, right? See here, see that, okay. Now if you want to see the number of words, here you can see. So please don't confuse between for this. This is a very simple way. The output of first command will be the input for the second command. If our first command will fail, then the second command will not execute. Let's see if I've done some mistake. Okay. Okay. Both commands are failed. Okay. Commands not found. This is showing CA is not a good, not a like perfect command for Linux, and it's not able to find, and the second command will not execute it. But if I run proper way, then it will execute. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. That's it for today.